When working with fractions, our goal is really to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. But in order to actually do those calculations, you sometimes need to have equivalent fractions, or fractions that can be called different ways. You might think of it this way. Let's say you know a person whose name is William. People might call him Will, or maybe Bill, or Billy. Why would William need all those names? Well, William might need this one in a very formal situation if he's got to sign his passport or sign his driver's license. His friends on the football team might call him Will, and maybe his family members all call him Bill. But Grandma always calls him Billy, no matter how old he gets. So the different situations where William would be experiencing in his life would call for a very formal use of his name to a more casual, to just a cutesy grandson name. Fractions have a lot of different names to them too. Let's say you have the fraction 3 2/4. You could call this fraction 14/4, or you could call this fraction 7/2. You could even call this fraction 3 1/2. There are a lot of different names for this fraction, and the uses of them would be in the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. You may have a need to refer to this fraction in different ways so that your calculation can be smoother.